Hello everyone, welcome to imacooker channel. Today we are going to make refreshing rose milk. For that the ingredients are, I've taken 1 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of rose water or rose essence, 2 tablespoons of strawberry syrup, 2 tablespoons of honey and couple of ice cubes. Now I am going to put all the ingredients into the blender. I have taken honey. You can use sugar or other sugar substitute for this drink. Now I am going to blend this mixture. After blending the mixture, I'm going to pour it in a cup and I'm going to add some ice. Enjoy the recipe. Thank you.